Look, during the last 5 years of our marriage, I was scared and very unhappy. And in my mind, I had no other choice but to leave. I felt at the time that there was something terribly wrong with me and that my son would be better off without me. And it was only just after I got to California, after getting into therapy, that I realized I wasn't such a terrible person. And just because I needed some kind of emotional and creative outlet other than my child doesn't make me unfit to be a mother. I know I left my son. I know that that's a terrible thing to do. Believe me, I have to live with that every day of my life. But in order to leave him, I had to believe that I had no other choice. And that it was the best thing for him. However, after getting some help, I have worked very, very hard on becoming a whole person again. And I shouldn't be punished for that. And my little boy shouldn't be punished. Billy's only 7 years old. He needs me. And I'm not saying that he doesn't need his father, but I really believe he needs me more. I was his mommy for 5.5 years. Dad took over the role for 18 months. And I don't know how anyone could believe that I have less of a stake in parenting that little boy than Mr. Kramer does. I'm his mother. I'm his mother.